Hi Mighty Itsy Bitsies, it's Itsy Bitsie Time.
Are you ready to learn about the biggest cats in the wild? Yeah? Oh, come along. It's time to explore. You might know about the small, cuddly little domestic cat. You might even have one as a pet at home.
Out in the wild, there are many different types of cats, and they don't make very good pets at all. The 4 largest cats are
the tiger, the jaguar, the leopard, and this one.
What's this one?
Yeah, it's the lion. Are you ready to learn some facts about lions? Yeah, me too.
The domestic house cat and the lion actually belong to the same scientific family, but they differ in so many ways. Let's find out.
The scientific name for the lion is Panthera leo, and there are mainly 2 different species in the wild. Almost all lions can be found in sub-Saharan Africa. African lions like to live in the savannas and the grasslands. A few lions can also be found in India. They're called Asian lions, and they mostly live in the western India in the Gir Forest National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary. Of all the big cats in the wild, lions sleep the longest. They can sleep for around 20 hours each day. Wow, that's a lot of sleeping. One of the best ways to identify a male lion is by the magnificent mane he has around his head and neck. It gets longer and darker in color as they get older. The hair helps them protect their head and neck during fights or when they're hunting for food. And lions, male lions, they start to grow manes at 3 years old. Male lions can weigh 196 kilograms. That's over 400 pounds. Females, they're a little smaller, but they're still 126 kilograms, almost 300 pounds. And lions, they can stand pretty tall also. From their feet to their shoulders can be over 1.2 meters, almost 3 feet tall. That's about as tall as a 2 or 3-year-old child. From their nose all the way to their butt can be over 2 meters long, almost 7 feet in length. That's longer than an adult. Lions are a little bit bigger than the domestic house cat that might be your pet. Lions, what do they eat? Well, they're carnivores. That means they mostly eat meat. They can't really digest plants very well. But lions, they're big eaters. They can eat up to 40 kilograms or 88 pounds of meat in a single meal. That's around a quarter of their body weight. But after such a big meal, they often will not eat for about 3 days. Do you know the bumps that are on your tongue? Well, lions have even bigger sharp-pointed rasps on their tongue called papillae. They're used to help scrape meat off the bones so they get every single piece of meat to eat. A lion has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toes on its front paws, just like you have 5 fingers on each hand. But on the back paws, the lion only has 4 toes. Each toe has claws. These claws can be very sharp, but they're made out of the same material as your fingernails. It's called keratin. Lions keep their claws sharp by scratching trees. They also use these sharp claws to climb the trees to seek shade or to help them catch their dinner. Baby lions are called cubs, and when they're born, they actually have spots on them. The spots are called rosettes, and they mostly disappear as they get older. A group of lions is called a pride. A pride can have just 4 members or almost 40, but most prides have only about 15 members. Did you know that lions are the only cats that roar together? Yeah, they can do this to tell other animals, "Stay away, this is my home." And their roar is so loud, it can be heard almost 5 miles away.
Oh, that was fun! Thanks for watching Itsy Bitsie Time. Hey adults, want more videos or activity resources for your Mighty Itsy Bitsy? Just search for Itsy Bitsie Time and this video's code. See you next time!